Hi everyone, in this video we're going to be using algebra with the angle pair problems. So just a quick reminder, vertical angles are congruent, so they have the same number of degrees. Complementary angles add up to 90 degrees. Supplementary angles add up to 180 degrees. Angles on a line add up to 180 degrees. And angles on a point add up to 360 degrees. So we can use these relationships to write an equation, and then we can solve the equation algebraically using inverse operations. So find the value of the variable algebraically. In the picture, the measure of angle 13 equals 4x plus 11, and the measure of angle 14 equals 3x plus 1. So these angles are a linear pair, or you can think about them as supplementary angles. So if I add the two expressions together, 4x plus 11 plus the quantity 3x plus 1, I get a total of 180. Now I can combine like terms. So I'm going to combine together 4x plus 3x to get 7x. And then we'll also combine together positive 11 plus 1 to get plus 12 equals 180. Now we can start doing our inverse work. We'll start by subtracting 12 from each side. So we get 7x equals 180 minus 12 is 168. Then our next inverse, we're going to divide by 7. And we get the value of x is 24. And in this problem, they only wanted me to find the value of the variable. So I found my value of x, so I'm done with that problem. Okay, looking at this picture, the measure of angle 4 equals 2x minus 5, and the measure of angle 5 equals 4x minus 13. These two angles together are vertical to a complementary angle, 90 degrees. So they are complementary angles. So if I add together 2x minus 5 plus the quantity 4x minus 13, I get a total of 90 degrees. And just like before, we can combine like terms. 2x plus 4x makes it 6x. Now be careful of your signs here. We have negative 5 minus 13 makes it minus 18 equals 90. Now I can start doing my inverse work. So I can add 18 to each side. I get 6x equals 108. My last inverse, I'm going to divide by 6. And using my calculator, I get the value of x is 18 this time. Okay, my next example. These are angles on a point, so they all add up to 360 degrees. So if I write my equation, it'd be b plus 96 plus 209 equals 360. Adding together 96 with 209, I get b plus 305 equals 360. Now I can do my inverse work, so I'm going to subtract 305 from each side. And I get the value of b is 55. Our next example, the two angles they give me are across from each other, so they're opposite angles, which means they are vertical. So when I get my equation, I know the value 2 plus 3x has to equal 62. Now I can start doing my inverse. So I subtract 2 from each side. My equation becomes 3x equals 60. My second inverse, divide by 3, and I get the value of x equals 20. I hope this video helps. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.